Welcome friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Asarum europaeum. The common name is European snake root. This is part 1, general overview, and the remedy is referred from mainly Allen's keynote and supplemented by Borick, Clark and K. N. Mathur. This is best recommended to BHMS students, interns and UPSC aspirants. The remedy profile is, it is a small remedy popular in Russia for drunkards. The kingdom is vegetable kingdom and natural order is Aristolochiaceae. The habitat, it grows in the mountains of Europe. The preparation, the mother tincture is prepared from the root and whole plant in alcohol. The root alone is better than the whole plant. This remedy was proved by Dr. Hahnemann in 1817. The historical aspect, before Hahnemann's time, Asarum was little known except an emetic. His provings brought to the light some unique characteristics of this remedy. Organ tissue affinity of this remedy is nerves, mucous membrane and female organs. The lateral affinity of this remedy is ambilateral and thermal affinity is, it is a chilly remedy. The constitutional components include the somatic predilectation is adults, these are literary people of sedentary habit. Psychic preponderance is temperament is nervous, anxious, and the patient is oversensitive, excitable or melancholic. The causation, the diathesis is nervous affections and catarrhal state. Ailments from after a debauch, catarrh with deafness, and from emotions. The characteristics of this remedy is, the remedy is very oversensitive of nerves, scratching of linen or silk, crackling of paper is just unbearable. Sensation as if ears are plugged up, and nausea in attacks or in constant state, especially after eating and during pregnancy. Other characteristics are images that he is hovering in the air, pressure and contractive sensations. Unquenchable longing for alcohol is there, and the mucous discharges are glary, desires alcohol, nuts and milk, aversion to onion, garlic, fish and fat. The relationship of this remedy is, remedy follows well by bismuth, causticum, pulsatilla and salacia. The remedy is antidoted by acetic acid, camphor, vegetable acids and vinegar. The general modalities include, the aggravation is in cold and dry or clear fine weather. Amelioration is washing face or bathing affected part with cold water in damp, wet weather. The miasmatic orientation is, the acute complaints point to acute miasmatic domain. Our impression is Asarum europaeum is predominantly psoric miasmatic remedy. The posology, doses 3rd to 6th potency according to Borick. Repetition may be repeated when symptoms call for it, and duration of action is 8 to 14 days. The clinical conditions where it can be applied is generalized anxiety disorder, depression, delusions, hyperesthesia of auditory sense, sensation of plug, eye strain and alcoholic dependence, hangover. Thank you very much for patient listening.